Solar, the top 5 foldable panels for adventurers. Solar on the go. Unveiling the top 5 foldable panels for adventurers. The sun whispers promises of boundless energy, even when you're off the grid. But with a dizzying array of foldable solar panels beckoning, choosing the right one can feel like navigating a tangled wilderness. Fear not, intrepid explorer. This guide unveils the top 5 foldable panels, illuminating their strengths, weaknesses, and ideal candidates for their portable brilliance. 1. Jackery Solar Saga 200, the Powerhouse Voyager. Jackery Solar Saga 200, Unfolding Sun-Powered Potential. The Jackery Solar Saga 200 boasts impressive power in a portable package, making it a contender for powering your adventures off the grid. Let's delve into its performance, usability, value, and ideal use cases. Performance and efficiency. Power output, a mighty 200 watts. Laptops, mini fridges, drones, and even larger appliances like blenders find their match in this panel. Efficiency. High-quality monocrystalline silicon cells ensure top-notch sunlight conversion, maximizing your energy harvest. Expect fast charging for various devices. Low light performance. While not outstanding, its larger size and SIGS technology allow for some power generation even in overcast conditions. Usability and design. Portability. The 13.2 pounds, 6 kilogram, weight might not be feather-light, but integrated handles and foldable form make it manageable for car camping and van life. Durability. Built to last with weatherproof materials and an IP67 rating, it withstands rain, dust, and even accidental splashes. User-friendly. Simply unfold the panel, connect your device via USB-C or QC 3.0 ports, and bask in the sun's energy. Integrated kickstand makes for easy angle adjustment. Sleek and modern. The black and gray design with orange accents looks modern and complements your outdoor gear aesthetic. Value for money. Considering its impressive power output, efficiency, and features, the Jackery Solar Saga 200 offers good value compared to similar panels. However, its higher price tag compared to smaller, lower wattage options like the BlueD PV120S needs consideration. Warranty. Backed by a 2-year warranty on the panel and a 25-year power output warranty for peace of mind. Specific use cases. Ideal for extended camping trips, van life, off-grid living with moderate to high power needs, powering larger appliances, emergency backup power for significant energy demands. Not suitable for backpackers and minimalists due to weight, not ideal for extended periods with only small devices to charge. Remember, the best solar panel depends on your individual needs and budget. Consider factors like portability, power output, charging speed, intended use, and price before making your choice. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned off-grid enthusiast, the Jackery Solar Saga 200 packs a punch. Its impressive power output, efficiency, and durability make it a reliable solar partner for various adventures. However, its weight and cost require careful consideration when compared to smaller, lighter options. 2. BlueD PV120S. BlueD PV120S, Unfolding the Power and Potential. The BlueD PV120S packs a punch in a lightweight package, making it a contender for your solar setup. Let's delve into its performance, usability, value, and ideal use cases. Performance and efficiency. Power output. At 120 watts, it handles smartphones, tablets, laptops, and even mini fridges with ease. This makes it a significant step up from the Goal Zero Nomad 10. Efficiency. Its monocrystalline silicon cells boast impressive conversion rates, maximizing sunlight into usable energy. Expect faster charging compared to the Nomad 10. Low light performance. Performs well in overcast conditions due to its SIGS technology, ensuring you still get power even when the sun peeks through clouds. Usability and design. Portability. Weighing a mere 5.7 pounds, 2.6 kilograms, it's surprisingly light for its power output, making it backpack-friendly for outdoor adventures. Durability. Weatherproof materials and an IP67 rating offer protection against the elements, ideal for diverse conditions. User-friendly. Simply unfold the panel, connect your device, and enjoy the sun's bounty. Multiple ports, USB-C, USB-A, cater to various devices. Sleek and minimalist. The black and gray design with orange accents looks modern and blends seamlessly with your outdoor gear. Value for money. Offers good value for its power output, efficiency, and features compared to similar panels. However, it falls on the higher end compared to lighter, lower wattage options like the Nomad 10. Warranty. Backed by a 2-year warranty on the panel and a 25-year power output warranty for peace of mind. Specific use cases. Ideal for weekend camping trips, van life, off-grid adventures, powering laptops, mini fridges, and various devices, emergency backup power for moderate needs. Not suitable for extended off-grid living with high-power appliances, heavy-duty applications requiring even more power. Remember, the best solar panel depends on your individual needs and budget. Consider factors like portability, power output, charging speed, intended use, and price before making your choice. Overall, the BlueDeep PV120S proves itself a versatile and efficient solar panel. Its power output, durability, and portability make it suitable for various outdoor and off-grid scenarios. However, its higher price compared to low wattage options and limitations for heavy-duty applications might necessitate careful consideration. Ideal for minimalist adventurers who prioritize portability and efficiency, even if higher power needs might require additional panels. 3. Bouget RV Paso 100W SIGs. The Bouget RV Paso 100W SIGs is a foldable solar panel that uses copper indium gallium selenide (SIGs) thin film technology. SIGs panels are known for their lightweight, flexible design, good performance in low light conditions, and potentially longer lifespan compared to traditional silicon panels. Let's delve deeper into the Paso 100W SIGs and see how it measures up. Pros. Lightweight and foldable. Weighing only 2.2 kilograms, 4.85 pounds, the Paso 100W is exceptionally portable. Its foldable design makes it easy to store and carry in a backpack or bag. Durable and weatherproof. The SIGs material is resistant to scratches and impacts. The panel boasts an IP65 rating, making it dustproof and water-resistant, suitable for outdoor use. Good low-light performance. SIGs panels generally perform better than silicon panels in low-light conditions, making them a good option for cloudy days or shaded areas. Versatile output options. The panel features USB-C and 2 USB-A ports, allowing you to charge various devices like smartphones, tablets, laptops, and power banks. Built-in kickstand. The integrated kickstand makes it easy to adjust the panel for optimal sun exposure. Carry bag included. A convenient carrying bag is included for easy transport and protection. Cons. Lower efficiency. Compared to higher-end monocrystalline silicon panels, the Paso 100W has a lower conversion efficiency, meaning it needs more panel area to generate the same amount of power. Limited power output. At 100W, the panel might not be sufficient for powering high-energy devices like laptops or mini fridges for extended periods. Limited warranty. The 1-year warranty offered by Bouget RV is shorter than warranties provided by some other solar panel brands. Price. While not the most expensive SIGs panel, the Paso 100W falls on the higher end when compared to similarly sized silicon panels. Overall, the Bouget RV Paso 100W SIGs is a good option for casual campers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts who need a portable and durable solar panel for charging smaller devices like smartphones and tablets. Its lightweight design, good low-light performance, and weatherproof build make it ideal for outdoor adventures. However, its lower efficiency and limited power output might not be suitable for those needing to power larger devices or for extended periods. Consider your needs and budget carefully before making a purchase. 4. EcoFlow 110W, the all-weather warrior. The EcoFlow 110W is a foldable solar panel that can be your trusty companion for adventures in the sun, whether you're a casual camper, a seasoned off-grid enthusiast, or simply looking for a renewable energy source for your van life. Let's take a deep dive into all its aspects and see what makes it an attractive option. General features and specifications. Power output, 110W, enough to power laptops, smartphones, tablets, cameras, and even small appliances with the right conditions. Portability. Weighing a mere 5.26 pounds, 2.39 kilograms, and folding to a compact size, it's easy to carry in your backpack or store in your van, RV. Weather resistance. IP68 waterproof and dustproof, making it a reliable companion for unpredictable weather conditions. Ports. Features a USB-C PD port, 60W, and two USB-A ports, 12W each, offering fast charging for diverse devices. Kickstand. Built-in kickstand allows for easy angle adjustment to maximize sun exposure. Carry bag included. Conveniently comes with a carrying bag for storage and protection. Performance and efficiency. Monocrystalline silicon cells. Utilizes efficient monocrystalline silicon cells, ensuring good conversion rates of sunlight into electricity. Low light performance. Performs well even in overcast conditions, thanks to its SIGS technology, thin film silicon. Temperature coefficient. Handles high temperatures well, maintaining performance in warmer climates. Usability and design. Plug-and-play simplicity. Easy to set up and use, making it suitable for tech-savvy and novice users alike. Durable materials. High-quality materials ensure long-lasting performance and resistance to wear and tear. Sleek and stylish. Aesthetically pleasing design blends seamlessly with your outdoor gear or van setup. Value for money. Competitively priced. Offers good value for its features and performance compared to similar panels in the market. Warranty. Backed by a 2-year product warranty and a 25-year power output warranty, providing peace of mind. Specific use cases. Camping and hiking. Ideal for keeping your gadgets charged during off-grid adventures. Van life. Provides a reliable source of renewable energy for vans and RVs. Emergency backup power. Useful for unexpected power outages or maintaining essential devices in emergencies. Off-grid living. Can be part of a larger solar power system for those seeking self-sufficiency. Overall, the EcoFlow 110W is a versatile and well-rounded solar panel that caters to a wide range of needs. Its portability, weather resistance, good performance, and user-friendly design make it a solid choice for all kinds of solar adventures. While its power output might not be enough for high-energy appliances, it excels in charging smaller devices efficiently, making it a valuable addition to your outdoor and van life gear. Remember, the best solar panel depends on your specific needs and budget. However, the EcoFlow 110W offers a compelling combination of features and value, making it a worthy contender for your next solar purchase. 5. Goal Zero Nomad 10, the style and substance standout. The Goal Zero Nomad the 10th of may be compact, but its features and specifications pack a punch for keeping your smaller devices powered on the go. Let's dive into the details. Performance and efficiency. Power output. With 10 watts, the Nomad 10 excels at keeping smartphones, tablets, cameras, and similar devices juiced up. However, high-power gadgets like laptops and mini fridges will require significantly longer charging times or multiple panels. Efficiency. While not the most efficient panel on the market, its monocrystalline silicon cells convert sunlight into electricity effectively, especially in direct sunlight. Expect slower charging compared to higher wattage panels. Low light performance. Performs decently in overcast conditions due to its SIGS technology, but don't expect miracles if the sun is hiding. Usability and design. Portability. The feather lightweight and pocket-sized folded dimensions make it a dream for backpackers and minimalists. Its built-in kickstand also simplifies angle adjustment for optimal sun exposure. Durability. Weatherproof materials and an IPX4 rating make it ideal for light rain and splashes, but avoid submersion or heavy downpours. User-friendly. Simply unfold the panel, connect your device, and bask in the sun's energy. Its single USB-A port caters to a wide range of devices, making it easy and convenient to use. Sleek and stylish. The modern black and orange design looks attractive and complements outdoor gear seamlessly. Value for money. Priced on the higher end for its limited power output, potentially leading to some questioning the value proposition. However, its exceptional portability, weatherproof build, and convenient design might justify the cost for those who prioritize these features. Warranty. Backed by a 2-year warranty on the panel and a 1-year warranty on the kickstand, provides peace of mind and adds value. Specific use cases. Ideal for day trips, hikes, weekend adventures, keeping smaller devices charged while traveling, emergency backup power for small gadgets. Not suitable for high-power appliances, extended off-grid living, situations requiring fast charging. Frequently asked questions. Can it charge a laptop? Technically yes, but it'll take several hours and might drain the laptop's battery faster than it charges it. Consider higher wattage panels for laptops. Is it waterproof? No, it's IPX4 rated, meaning it can handle light rain and splashes, but avoid submersion or heavy downpours. Does it have a built-in battery? No, it only generates power while under direct sunlight. Can I chain multiple panels? Yes, you can connect several Nomad 10s to create a larger panel for increased power output and charge bigger devices. What's the warranty? 2 years on the panel and 1 year on the kickstand. Remember, the best solar panel depends on your individual needs and budget. Weigh the Nomad 10's strengths and weaknesses against your specific requirements before making your decision. Remember, the best foldable panel depends on your individual needs and adventures. Consider factors like power output, portability, weather resistance, and budget before choosing your sun-powered companion. May your journeys be illuminated by the perfect panel and boundless adventure.